Welcome back to our Understanding Alarm Trips video series from More Industries. In our last video, we explored the difference between hard and soft alarms, explaining why independent, hardwired alarms are often the best choice when safety, speed, and reliability matter most. In this video, we'll explore the different types of alarms and configurations available for industrial alarm trips, from high and low alarms to specialized functions like rate of change, stuck input, and window or band alarms. We explain how these options provide the flexibility to protect your process precisely as needed. Whether you're monitoring simple threshold breaches or complex fault conditions, knowing your choices is essential. Let's take a closer look. Most limit alarm trips include 1, 2, or even 4 relay outputs. Each relay can be set to a different trip point, high, low, or a mix of both. Some can even trigger an alarm on input faults, like a broken sensor, or alert you to an internal device issue. With multiple relays, you can mix and match trip types to fit your specific application needs. A high alarm triggers when the input signal rises above a set trip point, signaling a potential issue. The alarm remains active until the input drops back below the defined deadband, preventing false resets from minor fluctuations. A high alarm uses 2 high trip points for a single input. The first relay can serve as a warning, while the second, higher trip point can trigger a shutdown if the condition worsens. A low alarm triggers when the input drops below its configured trip point. The alarm stays active until the signal rises back above the deadband, ensuring stable reset behavior despite signal noise. A low alarm uses 2 separate low trip points. The first can trigger an early warning, giving operators time to respond. If the signal continues to fall, the second trip point can activate a shutdown or other critical response. A high-low alarm monitors a single input with 2 independent trip points, one high, one low. Each activates its own relay, providing protection at both ends of the signal range and allowing for both early warnings and shutdowns as needed. Limit alarm trips can also offer specialized alarm types for more advanced monitoring and control. A rate of change alarm triggers when a process variable changes faster than a user-set rate over a set time, ideal for catching sudden variable changes before they become critical. An input fault alarm activates if a sensor fails or the input signal is lost, helping you avoid costly downtime from a false shutdown. Some alarm trips include a self-diagnostic alarm, which continuously monitors internal health and trips if something goes wrong inside the alarm unit itself. With average and differential alarms, the device can monitor multiple inputs. It can trip when the average exceeds a trip point or when the difference between 2 signals goes beyond a safe threshold. A window or band alarm trips when a process variable leaves a defined range, either above the high trip point or below the low. A stuck input alarm detects when a signal remains unchanged for too long, indicating a possible sensor failure, wiring issue, or frozen process. It helps ensure you're alerted when your process sensor stops responding or its output freezes up, even if values appear normal. Limit alarm trips can also be used for simple on-off control, such as turning pumps or valves on and off to fill or empty a tank. That wraps up our look at the many types of industrial alarm trips, from simple high and low alarms to advanced options like rate of change and stuck input detection. Choosing the right alarm type helps you design safer, more reliable, and responsive systems.